Hi guys, now I'm going to collect. Everything is ready near with me, so batting अभी भी ये मेरे को how I will say फटा हो गया. Just now I made something wrong. This papaya will keep for my mother and father. I think this is good to give for them, but I will not give. This one I'm going to eat. Or this one. This one I should eat. Guys, please say this small one or this big one. But I'm very thin, so I'm going to eat this. I will keep this papaya. See, papaya also very big. Our घर papaya itu bisa dangkor as tadi, dangkor. So let's see about this. ये papaya तो इधर रखे. Only this one I'm going to eat. Wow, what the best. This seed will throw here and there, and will grow again. I'm going to eat like monkey. See, I'm going to eat like monkey. हो गया साफत हो गया. Wow, very tasty or very sweet, or how to say, cannot say with word. So this is very chola sir. Elijah, hey Tommy, इधर आओ Tommy, come. I'm going to give care. This is come here. I'm going to give for you. Hey Tommy, come. Fun tak campur lawan ini, guys. This is come Tommy. Come okay. I'm going to keep here. Come. Hey, come. Yes, come. This is for you. Eat. Good boy. Good girl. Good boy. I'm going. Hey, go. Oh, Tommy. I will not eat there. देखो eat तरफ यहाँ में आओ. Come. Good. It fast okay. I also have to eat. Hey, इधर आओ. देखो. गिर गया. Oh, ये भी खा. Amu dah doi you guys. Amu bisa say. Those who need this papaya tree. Amar ghor papaya tu bisi dangor ase. So if you need this seed then please contact me. I'm going to send in WhatsApp में ये seed I'm going to send. So guys, let's see. I'm going to give here seed also. Again 2 more left, okay, but I will not eat that. I will eat only this one papaya. One papaya also I cannot eat. I think I can't eat because it's too big. So guys, let's see. Hey Tommy, wait, okay? Hey, go. Where? Hut. Hurry. Here come. Come here. Eat fast. Yeah. This is very good, okay, for your health. I'm not eating other things, so this is good for your health. Please eat this. Many people does not like this papaya, etc. So, but I like to eat. Before I also not drink it, but now I understand how papaya tasty. You know how to me. Oh no, very tasty papaya. मेरे को पपाया बहुत खाया. ये भी खाओ सबको अब. I am going to. Guys, खाओ हाँ. No. सबको खाओ, सब खाओ, सब खा. Oh, my stomach so croak spinning. My stomach so croak happening croak. So this thing, this ahu I'm going to throw. Ja, I play ja. Go, Tommy. Hey, Chikori. See, my house chicken also eating this shit. Chicken, my house chicken, my house chicken. So guys, Lancy, I'm going to stop this video. Only this much, okay? Just because I do not made many days video, so I'm going to show only that because today I'm going to the food. That's why my ঘৰত পৰা ইমান হে আছে. I'm going to show only this much, okay guys? Bye bye.